Have you ever tried to restore your phone and got unknown error occurred native 1? So I want to show you how to bypass it.
Okay, if you see this phone is starting up, but we have to connect to iTunes. So what you need is push the bottom one and the top one together until it shut off. Okay, then it shut off. So you see I have a plastic here. So I'm going to set my phone inside the plastic. And you just watch what I do with this phone in the plastic. So I just wrap it in this, holding the back. So what I'm going to is I'm going to put inside the fridge at the freezer part. So at the freezer part.
You have to wait for 50 minutes to 1 hour in the fridge, and when it come out, just plug into your computer, and your iTunes will ask you to restore the phone. Just press restore and update and wait for the process to be done. This can take a while, so I'm going to speed up this video so that you don't have to wait, and let me to do the waiting. So if you see here is restoring iPhone software, and also it will install the new software update, which I'm going to use for this phone is 11.2.2. that is the latest one, up to date now at January 2018. If you see here, it's all have been done. The phone has been recovered and put out to the factory setting, and now you can set your phone into a new phone, or you can restore it from the backup. Backup can be from the iTunes or also from iCloud. So whichever your choice. So I'm going to set it as a new one because I want to use this phone as a new phone. Let me see if we can do screen mirroring now. If you see here, my phone was perfectly restored, and we're going to show you about software now. So it says here 11.2.2, which is the latest one. Thank you guys.